Aloha everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiana. This is my channel where I talk about my epilepsy journey while doing my makeup at the same time. Recently it was my birthday, so I thought it would be fun to do a little haul for you guys. So let's get into it. Ooh, Sephora. Let's do a little inside. Let's see. Now, at Sephora, I love, all the things. I love Hailey Bieber. I love all the things and nooks and crannies that Sephora has to offer. And what I love about Sephora too is that they shade match you if you don't know your right foundation shade or your color match. I swear, if it's another Hailey product, I'm gonna have to do another skincare video. Let's see. You guys, I was right. Look at this. It is the Mini Row Kit Peptide Kit. So I love it. I'm gonna have to try all of these, and I'm here for it. Let's see what else I got. Okay. It is the peptide treatment. I think this is the this is the peptide lip treatment. I'm forgetting what flavor it is, but I have to try it because where I live it's super cold, so my lips get really chapped. So I'm really happy I have this. All the things I've also gotten this. I forgot. Yeah, I like, which I do need though. Like I said, like this is definitely needed. This lip treatment, and this too is needed because with the weather here where I live, it's very cold. So a good lip moisturizer is very important because my lips get very chapped. So yeah, I'm glad I have this. So I'm gonna open it actually. I have this lip smacker chapstick, and then I have, I guess it's kind of similar to the peptide, So it's kind of like the peptide lip treatment. And then I have it's stuck in here. And then I have this lip gloss. So it's this. Try some on. Okay, the next item I have, let's see here. I have this creamy jelly cleanser for the face. This is really good too for a deep cleanser. So I'm really glad I have all the things for skincare. I'm really stoked. I have a Mighty Patch for, pimples. And always need one of these. Always. Okay, this is the Tropical Glow. I have a lot of skincare things. This is the acne and treatment bar, so it's for the face, and it's for the face and to help you get a good clean, especially after a long day of work, or if you had a hard day in general. Makeup, I have the NARS. This is the shade Red. I absolutely love it. It would be good for this season because it's Christmas coming up. And yeah, to play around with that lip shade and, maybe do a Christmas makeup look would be very fun with that lip shade. Okay, I got this little cute Coach perfume. Smell expensive. I'm really excited to try this. I'm really excited. I haven't tried it yet. So I am really excited. Next thing I have is this bag that I got. I love it. I absolutely love it. Just want to say thank you to everyone who gifted me these things. And yeah, thank you so much. And don't forget that you are beautiful, for you're fearfully and wonderfully made. Don't forget to comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!